welcome to this phase of the course. So we are done with our headlights and all this detailing that we did here, including the back. So we're going to be mirroring. So very simple. Before I start, I'm going to combine this because I want to mirror this all at once. So come here and combine. Okay, so I think that should do the job for me. If I think there's a better way to do this. Let's see, but I'll do it individually so that you can appreciate it more. I'll click this first. Okay, go to my mesh. I think mesh. Click mirror. All right. Let's click apply and see. Make sure if you look at this carefully. This is the x-axis, right? So if this is the x-axis, I'm trying to mirror in the opposite axis, which is negative. So this is x, negative. I'm using the word axis called geometry. Okay, everything apply, and I'm having something like this. So okay, so the car is coming to life little by little. So we hit this, we hit apply, and some irregularities, but we can fix them later on. Okay. Apply to, okay, let's see. Hit this to apply, hit this to apply, hit this to apply. I would love to merge these two. Okay, sorry, I mean combine. The idea is that it's going to, now let me say something here. Okay, before you begin this, make sure your pivot points are in the center. Let me explain. Now look at this. Let's assume I made a mistake here and W. Okay, good. This will be a good one to use to explain this. When I hit this and I come to my mirror options and I mirror, okay, it works because it's working in respect to the pivot point, basically. Okay, I think I didn't have issues with that, but at times if you're not careful, you might have issues. Where if you observe my pivot is in 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, same thing here. Okay, so that is that for that. So the next thing I'm going to start working on this. For this, we are not going to mirror. Let me explain. If we come to our mesh and go to mirror and we try doing this, apply. That gave us what we want. Okay, that worked, but that was not what I had in mind. But unfortunately rather, that worked. What I had in mind, look at another option here. You can click this, come to your modify, modify. Okay, that should be edit. Sorry, duplicate spatial. And since you're trying to model in the negative x, you come to your scale. Okay, normally it is, let's reset. So normally it's 1. You come to your scale, make sure it's instant so that when you maybe change something yet update on the other side. You come to your scale, and since it's x but it's negative x, so you write -1 here. Then another thing is that you make sure your pivots, let's see, okay, you make sure your pivots on 0, 0. I think, okay, it's in this that you have the issues of the pivot being 0, 0, because if I apply this now, okay, I'm going to be having this error. But my pivots on 0, 0, how do I do it? Hold down my D to means I'm moving the pivot, and X meaning I'm snapping to the grid. Okay, so let me undo that. DX. So when I move this, you can see it's snapping to the grid, and do it again. Okay, so now that it is snapped to 0, 0, 0, holding down G and X, I can hit apply, and it does that for me. So I can do the same thing here. Okay, it's on 0, 0, apply. I can even go ahead to, I don't know if I should click all of this, if it's going to work the same way. Okay, hit apply. All right. This is telling us here this. Hit apply. Okay, I think I'm having something nice here. So for this part, I'm going to kind of like combine them, but unfortunately the pivot points are not in the center, so I have to do something here. Holding out D and X, I'll move this down. Okay, let's see, not correct it. Okay, so let's confirm. Is there? Hit apply. Okay, then we have this too. I think it's in the center. The hit apply. Okay, then we should be having a little thing there. Hit apply. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, we've been able to mirror, and this is what the cage of the car will look like. Okay, let me get this off. Okay, so that's that basically. In the next video, we are going to be importing our tire. Okay, modeling the tire and importing it. Okay, so let's dive straight into the next video. All right, thank you. See you in the next video.